Today's look is a beautiful fall copper confection that's completely beginner friendly. Up next. Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and today we are doing a beautiful fall look that literally anyone could create. It's super fun, super easy, and I know you guys are going to love it. Well, you already do love it. You clicked on the thumbnail, you saw it. So we're going to first do 3 nails in that beautiful color. It's just a nice, beautiful, rich tan color or beigey color. Yeah, it's not tan, it's more cream. It's cream. Then we're going to come in with a really pretty cat eye. And we're going to do that on this nail, but we're going to also use it in our marble so it pulls all that coppery goodness together. And we're also going to have a little bit of gold. A little bit of gold. So I did completely obscure, blank out all of the cat eye portion. Wow. Pro moves today, guys. My voiceover is pro moves. The first one, we just eliminated all of the shiny bits, right? We just neutralized them. And now we're going to pop them up. And actually, I could have neutralized this one as well. I didn't think I was going to do a third coat, but I do. But that's okay. It ended up looking super, super good. And I'm very, very happy with it. And we're just going to keep playing with these little bits, the little metal bits, until we get them where we want them. We're going to have fun with it. There is a bit of a learning curve, and honestly, I'm still on that curve a little bit. Play with your gels, right? Play with those cat eyes. Figure out what the magnet does when you do what you do, and before you know it, you're going to be a pro at making your cat eyes shine. You're going to love them. Here we go. We're just perfecting that. And look, you just test it. See if it's doing what you want. While that cures, we're going to put our first coat of this really pretty gold glitter. That's by Model Ones, by the way. Most of the polish today is by Landfo. I got a couple of sets of their stuff years ago. And I've never used it all up, so we are definitely using it today. But this cat eye is by Model Ones as well. Model Ones as well. All the colors, well, you know what? No. Most of the colors are not from Landfo. Actually, just a couple are. We've got Canny today. We've got a couple from Landfo, and we've got a couple from Model Ones. So it's a real mixture today. There you go. It is what it is. It is what it is. You start thinking one thing and then you realize you're wrong. So this is our third coat, clearly, and we're just making our cat eye come into the middle like we did the second time. And it really is just super juicy and pretty, isn't it? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Model Ones did a good job with this cat eye. I don't know about you, but if I don't have my stand to hold on to a little bit, my hand starts to cramp up from holding that tiny stand. So I need the stand that the stand goes on. Otherwise, I wreck my hands. So let me know what you guys do to keep your hands from hurting when you're doing nail art. Because sometimes part of it's my fault because I grip things too tight, right? And I'm working on that within myself as a human. But I also need to just respect that my hands can't hold things that long, that are that tiny, right? If I'm doing something, like sometimes a set can take 2 or 3 hours to complete, right? And I know there are girls out there who are doing sets that take them days, right? But like the art is crazy. So you need something to protect your hands. You do. Anytime you're working with your hands, you got to protect your money makers. Yeah, money makers. Speaking of money, guys, Savalond approached me. They haven't sent me anything yet, but they are going to. And they gave me a coupon code for you guys. It's 20% off from their website. There's going to be a link down below, and it should take you to shopping. If you click the link and you're kind enough to do that, of course, I will get an affiliate kickback from them. So full disclosure. But also, if you click the link and you use my code GlamTones, which I will put on the screen for you and in the description, then you will get 20% off your purchases. So definitely bookmark that and save that code because I want you guys to save money on doing your nails. And 20% off is a pretty good discount, especially since Christmas is right around the corner. So perfect timing for that, you guys. So this is our marble. I'm sorry I was talking during the marbling part, but we're going to do this twice. And you saw how I do it. I just lay down the colors and then give them the tiniest bit of a swirl. Do not over swirl. If you over swirl, you're mixing. You want to see distinct colors. You don't want to muddy things up. Then we're going to come in, as we do have that same cat eye in our marble, and activate the cat eye. I'm not trying to manipulate it. I'm just trying to activate. See how it just gets richer and it just gleams that much more bright. It's beautiful. Honestly, Model Ones, you did a great job on this polish. Honestly, I really like Model Ones a lot. Their solid gel polishes are great. Their Inspire gel line, guys, that's one of my favorites. It's not too thick, but it's got a nice pigment to it. I don't like the thicker polishes. I like, you know how regular polish feels the first time you open it? I like my gel polish to feel like that. And the Model Ones Inspire does. And so does CND Creative Play. I don't always find those everywhere. I've only got a few of that particular line from CND. Gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous gel polish. Oh, I just hit the microphone. I don't know if you heard that. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm expressive when I talk. I use my hands a lot. I can't help it. I can't help it. I don't know what that means about me. If you know, let me know in the comment section. So anyway, look at how different when I'm holding it with my glove compared to when I'm not. Look at how much darker it is. And look at that. You see all the colors now. All I was doing was adding a little more cat eye because I just felt like it didn't have enough coppery glow. And that cat eye is just the most pretty coppery color I ever saw. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This marbles is one of the most fun things you can do to your nails, and everyone loves it. They always remark on your nails when you have a marble. That's one of the things I've noticed. What? I don't know what I was doing right there with the shaky cam. Not the shaky cam, the shaky hand. There you go. I was probably laughing or something. I was probably watching something while I was making this and cracking up. Probably Evil. Have you guys watched that show Evil? It's canceled now, but I'm rewatching it on the Paramount. Guys, I love that show. It is bat crap crazy, and I'm 100% here for it. So now on this one that we left plain, we're just going to put some fall leaves. I have all these fall leaf glitters, and every fall I always try to use a few of them in my designs because they are gorgeous. What if we put some in an aquarium nail? Do you guys want to see that? Let me know below. We could do falling leaves. Oh, I think I'm going to start that today. Falling leaves, aquarium nails. Guys, hit that subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss that, okay? I think it's going to be gorgeous. So I'm excited now. So this is the plastic bag technique or wrap technique, plastic wrap. You could use a bag, though it's a little thicker. It might not leave so much texture. I'm going to try that. So anyway, I'm sorry I was talking through the whole description. Basically, you put down your base coat, you put the bigger, this is for big glitters. Your smaller glitters probably never need a plastic wrap. But oh, guys, look at that. Did you see that? I had to slow it down so you would see that. Never in a million years would I think I'd be able to squeeze a glitter and it land directly on the nail. That was brilliant. But anyway, back to the the how to. You put your glitter down and then you just hold that plastic wrap on it. Don't hold it too tight, but just tight enough to make the glitter bend down into the base coat, and then it will stay down. The thing about it is this, though. It's hard to get that plastic wrap completely straight and with no wrinkles in it. So you are, and I'm sorry I'm not going to show it because my camera died, but you need to come in after you're done and give a nice juicy base coat and then just buff it down because there might be little wrinkles in the base coat and you want to make sure you get those out. Also, there is no footage of me actually top coating the leaf nail or showing them to you on their stands because my camera died and I didn't realize. But here's the set, guys. I love these. I absolutely love them. They're so beautiful, so fall, so ready for sweater weather, and I'm 100% here for it. Guys, thank you so much for watching today. We are going to see you for shorts the rest of the week, Saturday for a long form, and love you to pieces. Mwah. Bye-bye.